Okay, so I'm repairing this leaking hydraulic tank. It's there, and the fuel tank is here. I'm using this plastic padding, lactatere. This is for leaking fuel tanks and pipes and so on. About golf size, measure with this and then 3-4 centimeters with this and mix, becomes this. Pretty easy to put here. So this is second layer, and I just sanded this and put some more here, and then the critical place, like here, there was pretty big, like these. So let's put some cover here and hope for the best. This was the baddest place here. It leaked here and so on. And if you're wondering that why just not a new tank, not an option right now, because it takes 8 weeks to come. But we'll try this. Let's rust this first and then we'll see. Okay, the crucial parts are now filled with the plastic pudding, so-called. These many layers, and we'll see. Have to sand these, and we'll paint and hope for the best. Okay, that's it. Now that the plastic pudding is settled, we paint. The tank is in place and all the hoses and wiring, and there's just stairs here and the cover, but we'll check if it holds. Let it sit for a day more so it's dry. Very many hoses to the hydraulic tank and fuel tank, as you can see here. Thick hoses, and there and there and there and everywhere.